loves, welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How you doing? So I am so excited about today's video because you guys know that I am, or I don't know, maybe I don't know. Well, I'm in the process of trying to regrow my hair out. A year, 2 or 3 years ago, you guys know that I had a tapered haircut, and I went through various styles trying to figure out what did I want to do while in that odd transitional process of regrowing my hair out. So anywho, nothing has changed. I'm still in the process of trying to regrow my hair, and then once I've grown it out to a certain length, then determine what it is that I truly want to do with my hair. Do I want to go back to locks, or do I just want to continue to nurture and love on my loosely natural hair? But in aiding me in growing out my hair, I've had to go back to using products, especially since I'm a loose natural now. So in assisting me in growing my hair back out, I have been wearing lots and lots of protective styles. But in between those protective styles and in actually putting my hair in protective styles, there's a product that I have been using. You guys, I believe I've done a review on this product ages ago. I'm still currently using this product today, and I just want to share with you guys what my thoughts are about this product currently. So I'm sure you probably could tell from the thumbnail which product I'm talking about, and of course it's none other than the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Y'all, let me tell you, this is a oldie but goodie for me. And so with that being said, you probably already know what my thoughts are about this product, which is, I still love this product today. This product has been around pretty much as long as I've had natural hair, and it works for me. Now, I'm not going to give an in-depth review of this product because, again, I've already done and review of this product before, but I love this product for a multitude of different reasons. A, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Also, you guys, because it consists of shea butter, so really I don't have to go out there and buy shea butter because this product already consists of it. They also have another one. I can't even remember which one it is. It's not shea butter, but it's something else. I can't remember. But the shea butter one has always been my favorite, so this is the one that I gravitate the most to. Also, you guys, it is a repair cream. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, I wear a lot of protective styles. So this is my product of choice when installing a protective style, such as braids, twists, whatever the hairstyle it is. If I'm doing an installation of hair into my own hair, this is my moisturizer that I go to. It keeps my hair moisturized underneath the braids, the twists. Even if I have my braids in as long as 3 months or as at least of a month, you can guarantee your hair is still going to be moisturized underneath the extensions. I can use this on wet hair or dry hair, and I've done it on both. It makes it so much easier for me to manage my own hair, and because a little bit goes a long way, in my personal opinion, from my personal experience, this product just works wonders on my low porosity hair. So yes, I am still loving this product today. I am still using this product today. Again, like I mentioned earlier, a little bit goes a long way. Y'all, I've been using this jug for over a month, and it doesn't even look like I've hardly used it. That's how much money I'm saving. I don't have to worry about having to run to the store every month to re-up on this product. Y'all, come on. So if you are still using the Cantu leave-in conditioner, tell me what your thoughts are about it. Are you still loving it or no? Ditch girl, no. I'll see you two in the next one. Smooches.